I don't know if you know about Mexican hot chocolate, but that was the only time I heard about. Okay. Listen, I'm the star. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making a Mexican dessert. It is a vegan Mexican chocolate pudding. In the chocolate pudding that I'm going to make, there's chili in it and cinnamon in it. I'm into spicy chocolate, so literally it should take like less than 10 minutes to do, hopefully. And my chocolate is melted, so let's just do this before the chocolate gets hard again. We have semi-sweet chocolate, some tofu, agave syrup, chili powder, cinnamon, vanilla, and some more chocolate for just garnish to shave on top to make it look real cute, and then it's more chocolate, so cool. Okay, did we get started? Yeah. So, okay, seriously, everything except the chocolate that you're gonna shave later is gonna go in the blender. It's a little blender, so, you know, you plop that in there. It seems okay. I don't know if I should like do some of it. No, we're just gonna do it all. I don't care. I'm not scared of tofu, man. It's just soybeans. Well, I mean, if you're worried about your estrogen levels, you might be. Oh no. Okay, agave syrup, right in there. Yes. Let me put the chili powder in here. Just a little bit. If you're crazy and you want more spice, add more, but cinnamon, vanilla. Okay. And then we're gonna add our chocolate. How do I make this look good for the camera? Okay then. This is so close and personal. Look, we're gonna blend it, and then, you know, we might wanna, let's not think about it. Let me just not talk and blend, okay? We're doing it. First, let me shake it before I even like stick a spoon in there or something. This looks good. This looks like pudding already. Did I mention I'm making chocolate pudding? Tofu is cool because it literally just takes on whatever shape and flavor you want it to take. Oh my god, it looks good. I mean, of course it does. Right. Okay, a little more. Oh, I watched the video and it looks like that. It says like some chocolate still stays, you know, on the side, so it's cool. So this looks pretty much, I just want to be thorough. We're pretty much, I mean, this texture looks really good. Okay, yeah. Right? Okay, so, I mean, yeah, look at this stuff. Looks like chocolate pudding and there's tofu in there. So the finale, the grand finale, we're gonna shave some chocolate. I don't really know like what the best method is for shaving chocolate. So I have a vegetable peeler here. I wanna do chocolate curls. You know what I mean? Okay. Oh, well, okay, well, wait, maybe I should try to do it like thicker. Nope. Well, I guess it's shavings. I just wanted to curl. How do you do it? It looks good. Wait, how about here? Nope. Can I just try another tool just for the sake of experimentation? Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna cut myself with that one. Am I almost done? Yeah. All right, let's try the damn thing. Okay. Move this over here. Get a little bit of the chocolate. Ooh, it's like such a fluffy, it's kind of like a mousse. I taste like it's really subtle. I taste the cinnamon and the chili. Definitely recommend this method. The texture is like spot on. It's just like chocolate pudding. I'm into it. I'm into the spice and the cinnamon, but I could also go for a regular plain chocolate pudding, but tofu, melted chocolate, some vanilla, and if you want, cinnamon, chili powder, and that's it. And it took like 2 seconds. Remember? Also, I'd recommend chilling this for like half an hour before you eat it. Because, you know, chocolate pudding cold is better. Biggie, could you walk just a little bit harder? Okay. It's really good. Taking your time with it. Hi, Biggie, are you excited about the fiesta? But that's pretty much it.